In today's amazing feature in JenesisNow, we have added the import quote info button for the TurboRater Embedded. So if you're using our TurboRater Embedded Rater, this is going to help you a lot. So let me show you what we've done. If I go down to my test client down here, go to their auto policy, I am going to click on the TurboRate Embedded Rate Policy. And when you get to the screen, like always, you're going to make sure that you fill in all the orange boxes that need to be filled in. Once you have those filled in, you are going to click the next button. And I have a couple questions from Progressive, which I'm going to leave as is. Click next. And then this brings us to our rating screen. So we're going to click on the rate quote. And this is my testing environment, so we're only going to have one that populates. So it's the in-house auto test. If I click the plus button, it'll show you the different payment plans, and it is the premium of $988. So what we have done, if we click back on our tab, back to JenesisNow, we have this import quote info. If we click on this and click OK, yes, I have finished my quote over in TurboRater, and here is my information. So if I chose one of these, which they both look the same, so I can either save to policy, which my previous amount was 100 and something, sorry. This will replace, save to policy will replace the current premium, term, company, and monthly payment information. So let's click on this. And now this has changed it to $988.75, and my payment amount is $93.99. And if I wanted to go back and I wanted to look at my previous quotes, I could do that as well. So just by clicking import quote info, it will bring back over whatever it was that I was working on at that time. And we also have another button. You can rewrite the policy, which this would create a new policy and cancel the existing one. And then this bridge button, that just brings you back over to TurboRater. I hope this makes your life easier. If you have any questions, please let us know.